So you are brand new to crypto, you are brand new to Solana, but where do you get started? One website, welcome.jup.ag. This is Jupiter's Get Started page. To get actually on the blockchain, it just requires 3 steps. First, go and grab yourself a wallet. You can use any of these. My preference is Phantom. Once you click on the link, this goes to the official page where you can grab their wallet. Once you have got that, just connect the wallet. Next step is to get some SOL. If you are coming from another blockchain such as Ethereum, you can use this. This is a bridging tool. Or if you are brand new to crypto, click on Ramp Services. Here you can go and buy some SOL. Alternatively, you can use an exchange such as Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, or OKX. Then step 3 is swap on Solana. You can see I have got some Solana in this wallet. I can go and get a favorite memecoin such as Bonk. Or maybe there is another token you like. Just go and swap it, right here. After you have mastered swapping, the next step of course is go and try out application on the blockchain. So, if you are new to crypto, try this out, or if you have got a friend that wants to get involved, send them this link.